When using a 10-ounce tube of bird repellent, please use the following safety equipment: safety glasses, a long-sleeve shirt, and gloves. When using a 10-ounce tube of bird repellent, there are 4 important steps to follow. First, cut the tip with a standard utility knife. Second, attach a twist-on nozzle. Third, cut the nozzle halfway at a 45-degree angle to allow for a proper solid beam. Fourth, insert the 10-ounce tube into a standard caulking gun. When applying the product, apply in a zigzag pattern 3 to 4 inches apart along the outer edge. Birds instinctively walk along this outer edge to look for food, water, and predators. At the corners of a structure, the bird repellent is most effective when applied in a pie shape. This is because the corners have the highest concentration of bird traffic. Feel free to apply product on and around HVAC units. Birds and pigeons tend to roost on them for water and shelter. When applying bird repellent to a porous surface like concrete, stucco, wood, and roof tiles, it is important to first create the barrier to prevent absorption of the mineral oils. To create this barrier, start with a tube of clear, waterproof bath and tile silicone with a putty knife. Essentially, any porous surface can and will absorb the mineral oil in the bird repellent. Therefore, any porous surfaces need to be sealed before application of the product. Simply apply the silicone in 2 beams as shown. Spread the product with the putty knife into a smooth layer. Once the product is hardened, you know it has been absorbed. The silicone dries very quickly, so the bird repellent can be applied by the time the silicone has been spread. This is a fast, cost-effective way of sealing these porous surfaces. Another example of working on a porous surface is when working with wood. With wood particularly, it is necessary to remove all dirt and dust from the surface before starting work. Use the same waterproof silicone, spread thinly with a putty knife. If you're uncertain of a surface or would like to test its porosity, leave a few drops of the product at the intended site a few days before application, in which time you can then tell if the product has been absorbed into the surface to know if you need to create that barrier before applying the product for its intended use. The silicone will dry very quickly, so feel free to apply bird repellent within minutes of application.
Hi, I'm Grady Jones, Webster Exterminator. Just talking about deter and PIGNX products. We've had great success with these. The deter we use, of course, PIGNX we use with most of the bird situations we run into, and it's very effective, especially when we're not able to use exclusion products. Just trapping and the PIGNX has been very effective for us if it's applied correctly. The deter has been the most surprising thing. The deter we've been using in all kinds of situations. It literally repels and resolves just about any issue we have with almost any pest, and including some of the hardest pests. You know, we were surprised at how effective it worked on rodents. We've had situations that we've documented. Some of them we documented for the EPA with mice and rats, where we literally had huge infestations. And with this application, putting it in the right places where the rodents are traveling, we literally eliminated them. I mean, we ran them out of the place. We did extensive testing after that to show that it would actually force rodents into traps as well. So in situations where we actually wanted to trap them out, where the client wanted to see trapped rodents, we were able to do that as well. Amazing product. Literally just still surprising all of us. So we've just been really happy with it. It's an amazing product, and I think we haven't even scratched the surface of all the applications of it.